Hello, how are you doing? I'm so excited, so I wanted to share this. I'm gonna have before and after pictures put up, but I took this Harlem 125 wig. You know, I love my Harlem 125. This is LSD61. It was in the color blonde, so super yellow blonde. I did some different dyeing techniques on it and straightened it, and then I cut it. So this is the end result, and I'm just like loving this. I'm loving the color. I'm hoping you can see it's sort of this like ashy brown, chocolatey brown color. I just think it's super cute and I don't know, just fun. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it? I'm just really proud of myself. I wanted to share. Anyway, it just goes to show like you can really transform a wig if you have one that you got, maybe it was the wrong color or something you just don't like. You can transform it. Coming up, you're going to see the before and after of this wig. I did flat iron and cut a significant amount off, so I just want you to know that now, and soon you'll see what it looked like before. So I just wanted to show you that you can really transform a wig, and it wasn't that difficult. If you have a wig that you used to like or you don't like anymore, or you know, maybe you accidentally got the wrong color, because I have done that before, there are things that you can do. I have a few videos up on toning and dyeing techniques on my channel. It's a series. But anyway, I just think it's like so cute. Tell me what you think, and I hope you have a super fabulous day.